3.1 Practice and Research. During my research and responses to my samples, I looked into the emotional side of my own personal diagnosis, and I started to make a connection between some contemporary practice work where I'd use artifacts in a personal archive. Here, learning about what RED relates to with dyslexia and dyslexia awareness, school reports and connotations of negative remarks by teachers and comments, identified that my own personal difficulty with maths and English always seemed to generate difficulty for me. So these samples are a response to my own personal dyslexia using another research point that I'd come across with the use of RED. Now, RED also relates to the red marker pen in school books, which I thought that this was particularly applicable to my own personal school reports. So here are some samples that I put together, responding on an emotional aspect, changing faces of difficulties, happiness. These are some of the topics and difficulties and so forth that I can relate to very much well within my own personal studies and at present with my OCA studies. And this has been quite a good engagement with introducing these small samples and looking at the emotional aspect and impact that dyslexia has on an individual as a learner, how we struggle, how we are made to feel stupid. But during studying my OCA, I've actually come to realise that I am a visual academic. Even though I might not be a visual writer with academic essay writing, I can actually project my feelings, emotions, and respond to samples through research.